2. Today is Wednesday. We're gonna go to Hollywood Studios and Blizzard Beach today. We're about to leave for Hollywood right now. We're gonna buy some ears today, and I'm gonna go on the rock and roller coaster for the first time. I'm scared, but we're gonna do okay. But after we do that, we're gonna go to Blizzard Beach, and I'm really excited for that. I've seen like really fun things.
Bear towel around our head. Walk in.
Okay guys, so fit check. This is from Old Navy. These are from Amazon. This is from Disney. It's from Apple. I need socks.
My fit check. This is from Target, my bathing suit. This is from American Eagle. And then I just have my Birks on. So yeah, we're about to leave. I look greasy, I'm not. It's just Vaseline for my eyeballs. Annabelle, any thoughts this morning?
I'm really excited to use my magic band. Even though I don't really need it, I just feel cool. Also, I hope everyone has a great day. And you're seeing this like 5 weeks later.
No, not 5 weeks. I have 2 videos before this, and then this one. And then how many?
3 weeks.
Yeah, hopefully. I'll edit on the plane. Let's head to Hollywood Studios. We're headed to the roller coaster right now, and I'm so nervous. Mom says I have it though, so we shall see.
I've never been on it either, but I'm excited.
Like my heart is beating so fast.
Mom, I've never been on it, right?
Nope. But I got my ears. I love them. They look very cute. So
How much were they too?
we're about to ride rock and roller coaster. I'm so nervous. I'm just gonna, once it's over, like once you see me and it's over, I'm gonna be like, it's not that big a deal. I hope. I hope.
How your shoes?
The cushion part is good.
How your shoes?
They're talking about shoes.
My heels still hurt.
My
Silly
swimsuit.
It doesn't.
Everybody has me.
You look like you're about to play tennis.
Aww. Guess who did it and didn't blow chunks? Me!
Ew.
I did it! I'm so shaky. But I give it a 7 out of 10. Mom? But yeah.
Is T and Dad somewhere?
Yeah, they're up there. I can now say that I did that, so
Absolutely.
I have a
You know
wedgie.
you can do upside down roller coasters.
In the dark. We're gonna go
Actually,
see.
you can see way more better than I remember.
Yeah,
Maybe
that's
'cause I
why I
had my
closed
eyes.
my.
Yeah.
That's why I closed my eyes. But now we're gonna go to Toy Story Land, and I'm so excited. We're now in Star Wars Land.
You can get a little droid that moves around.
The details in Disney are
Star Wars?
beyond me.
You know, like the little.
He wants a droid. I want a candy apple.
You can build one.
That's our mission. We're all done at Hollywood Studios. Now we gotta go get food and then go to Blizzard Beach. I love my ears. Annabelle got donut ears. But yeah, food time. We're at Myrtle Beach now. I'm so full.
Blizzard.
We're at Blizzard Beach.
Oh, I'm gonna put this 100 in behind.
Everybody got
It's
their
hot.
ticket?
Yeah.
You do?
You have our tickets.
We don't have tickets here, Mom.
I'm so full.
Yes, you did. Yeah, you're the gate.
I didn't think we did.
Okay, we're in Blizzard Beach right now, and we rented a cabana.
Oh, sorry.
Let me show you. So this is our cabana.
So, are you good with that?
The cabana came with free, not free, I think they charged us, but the mugs. And there's towels. We have our own like assistant. And look at this right here. Look at that. There's water. That's insane. And I also got, I'm celebrating my birthday here. So I have this, but I also got a tattoo. So I can't wear this in the water, but I have this. So that's really fun. I also got a waterproof phone case so I can take you guys with me. How cool is that? But yeah, I got my lemonade here. And we're about to have some fun. We're leaving Blizzard Beach and I'm sad, but my phone's about to die, so I'll see you at home.
Whoever's going in, I remember to put the trash in one night.
Good evening. We're going to Target. I think I'm burnt. I can't get over this. This Target is so big. And the inventory, like I just saw some heated blankets. It's Florida. Why do they have those? I'm confused. But
Yeah, it's in
we just got a tropical smoothie. I got,
Let me try.
no.
Okay.
What did I get? Beach bum,
Yeah.
but with dark chocolate instead of white. Annabelle got a sunrise sunset, and Mom got a. Thanks.
I got a smoothie.
What'd you get? What kind?
A large one.
Hers is Paradise Point. It's very good. I didn't end this vlog because once I got home from tropical smoothie, I did homework and then I went to bed. But thank you guys so much for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one really soon. Bye!